Hey guys, out here, we just installed these 3 motorized units, and a lot of times you guys ask me a question, okay, what does this look like when it's built into the stone and pre-construction? This is really a perfect example of it. What I'll do is kind of bring it down here. So really what we've got here is when pre-installation we installed these tracks inside of the stone, and you see the really good job they did installing that all the way around it. And then we built basically a recessed pocket up here. So when the shade actually goes up and out of the way, all you really see is this slit running up and down. So you can see the way it is here. And what happens is when you're inside this patio, so the client was looking for actual bug screen. I'm actually going to roll this down. These are 3 independent screens right here. So when these are down, he actually gets full enclosure of the patio. It keeps out the bugs and mosquitoes. This one here is, geez, probably about 23 feet wide. You can see how tight we pull it. It looks nice and clean. And also the actual view you get is phenomenal. So when this is down, you really don't lose any of this backyard view. And it just brings you to outdoor, indoor living. So the other thing about this job is up here in this area. So a lot of you guys have like triangles or different areas. Actually what we ended up doing up here is putting in some fixed screens that are the exact same as this screen down here. So anyway, just another quality job by Shading Texas. You can reach us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you very much.